Let's do a fun project for Easter. I want to make an Easter egg that looks like a bunny. So I will select the ball shape and stretch it out into an egg shape. I will box select the top half and stretch it out with my arrow, then shrink it with my scale handle. I will do the same with the top faces. To create the ears, I will first add a mirror through my egg. Then add 3 blobs of material on top. I will box select the middle part of the ear and enlarge it. To shape the ears, I will select the 3 front faces of the ears while holding in Control, then push it back slightly. Then I will select the top face and shrink it with my scale handle and pull it forward slightly. Now I have nice bunny ears for my Easter egg. To create cute eyes, I will use my torus shape. Click on the outer circle for the rotation circles to appear. Then click and rotate your torus upwards. I will remove half of the shape with my Remove Material tool. Use your arrows and scale handles to size and position the eye. Remember to go to a side view to check that the eyes are attached. You might need to rotate it a bit. Remember to check from all sides. If you are happy with the eye, you can copy it over to the other side. Select the eye, then while holding in Control, click and drag the copied eye over with your arrow. Then rotate it as well. To make the nose, I will add a blob of material on the side. I will shrink the bottom face and push it up. Now I can size and position the nose. The last piece we need to make is the mouth. I will use half a torus again and follow the same steps. I am done shaping my Easter egg, so I will give it a name and head over to Style It where I can give it some color.